Good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir. I'm Raquel Espina, and I'm 37 years old and a high school graduate. I have 4 kids. I have 1 girl and 3 boys. And I have 3 years working experience in Taiwan from January 19, 2010 until December 17, 2013.
And you work as a domestic helper in Taiwan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And are you single or married?
I'm married.
Married, okay. And how many were there in Taiwan, the family members?
They have 5 members, mom, sir, 2 kids, and her mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. And the kids are how old?
And the kids are, the eldest one is 8 years old and the youngest child is 11 months.
11 months. And who's taking care of the children?
Her mother-in-law.
Okay, and your duties are?
And my duties are cleaning house, washing, ironing, marketing, and cooking.
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn some money and I want to help my husband for futures of my kids.
And can you tell me the age of your kids?
The age of my kids are, the eldest one is 19 years old, and the second one is 18 years old, and the third one is 16 years old, and the youngest one is 10 years old.
So who will take care of your kids when you work in Hong Kong?
Who take care of my...
Yes, who will take care of your kids?
My husband and my sister take my kids, even I'm working in Hong Kong.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you afraid of big dogs?
Yes, sir, I'm afraid.
Okay. Can you please sing one children's song?
1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
Okay. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employee, please select me because I do my best and I do everything because I'm a hardworking person and a honest person.
Thank you very much, Ms. Raquel Espina, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.